Hi everyone, it's Andrea over at Sewspire.com, and I want to give you a preview of the Bottomless Beach Bag. We are going to be sewing this bag start to finish tomorrow, Friday at noon Eastern Time. I really love the size of this bag, but my favorite feature is the bottomless base on this. So before I show you what that looks like, we have 3 really deep front exterior pockets, the same configuration on the rear, 2 side pockets, an extended swivel fob that you can tuck in the front pocket or on the inside pocket, double sturdy handles there. It has a nice open top, and then on the inside, 2 more really deep wide pockets, and this translucent vinyl base. I selected a hot pink vinyl. You could go with a clear vinyl if you like. That base is practical and functional. It'll keep the bottom of the bag nice and dry because it's vinyl, but then it also makes it really easy to find the contents of the bag because there's so much light coming into the base of the bag. So I thought that was a clever addition to this design. I hope you'll join me tomorrow to sew this beautiful bottomless beach bag. I'll see you then.